Get ready, start. Trial court, appellate court, labor court, apex court, Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Magistrate, District Magistrate, Learned Counsel, Learned Senior Counsel, Learned Counsel for the Appellant, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner, Learned Counsel for the Respondents, Learned Counsel appearing for the above mentioned, aforesaid, aforementioned, accused, case, cases, in many cases, in this case, it is a case, facts and circumstances of the case, aberration, acquisition, acquit, acquitted, ad referendum, ad valorem, adjourn, adjudication, adjudicating, adjudicator, administrator, administer, administrative, administering, advocate general, affidavit, affirm, form, formula, formation, formulate, formulation, formulating, aforesaid, agent, aggrieved, agreement, articles, bail, bankrupt, bailiff, bankruptcy, insolvency, liquidation, bar, bar council of India, medical council of India, barrister, lawyer, beneficiary, beneficiaries, confess, complaint, complainant, complainant, complaining, commit, committing, committed, committal, codicil, code of conduct, clause, class, claim, claimant, civil petition, civil judge, learned single judge, learned senior judge, learned civil judge, civil court, circumstantial, substantial, evidence, evident, confidence, confident, Chief Justice of India, beneficiaries, charge sheet, chapter, chambers, chancery division, charge, chapter, code of criminal procedure, code of civil procedure, caveat, case, capital, crime, criminal, cognizable, cognizance, cognizable offense, breach, preach, bridge, borough council, bona fide, mala fide, fraud, furthermore, general power of attorney, grandeur, grievances, guardian, guardian, parents, children, brothers, sisters, mother, father, sister, guilty, guardianship, partnership, friendship, leadership, dictatorship, habeas corpus, hearing, hearsay, hears, hierarchy, here, henceforth, herein, herein above, herein below, herein after, hereof, hereon, hereto, here under, herewith, High Court Judge, High Court of India, High Court of Justice, Tribunal, Court of Justice, hitherto, howsoever, identity, identify, identification, immunity, impound, impugned, impugned judgment, impugned orders, forthwith, foremost, foregoing, FIR, file, filing, filed, following, violate, violation, follow, valid, validity, invalid, first information report, file, felony, family law, factual, facts and circumstances of the case, expunge, impugn, explanation, expression, explain, explained, exonerate, exhibit, exhibition, inhibit, prohibit, executrix, executing, executor, executive, prosecutor, prosecutrix, prosecuting, prosecution, prosecutions, examination, ex post facto, ex parte, ex officio, ex gratia, evidence act, evidence, ethics, estate, state, stated, said, escrow, erstwhile, earnestly, equity, episode, enforcement, enduring, endeavor, en route, earmarked, alarm, donor, doctrine, doctor, Mr., Messrs., Mrs., docket, divorce, diverse, perverse, divorce, division bench, divisional, subdivisional, subdivisional magistrate, sub inspector, diversion, district judge, district court, discretion, discover, discovery, discovery, disbarment, disbursement, differentiate, difference, differences, difference of opinion, differences of opinion, differentiation, drug impairment assessment, determine, determination, determined, detenus, detent, deposition, deponent, defendant, respondent, appellant, plaintiff, defense, defaulter, deed, decree, decry, declaration, de jure, de facto, DD number, daily diary number, custody, custodian, custodial, culprits, sentence, sentenced, cross examination, criminal, crime, court of appeal, court martial, counterpart, counter statement, counsel, counsel, conviction, convicted, convict, contravention, contradiction, contract, continuance, contest, contended, contention, contentions, contempt of court, contempt, constitutional, substitutional, institutional, constitution, institution, substitution, consequential, consent, confidentiality, confidential, malified, mandatory, monetary, manslaughter, martial, court martial, mechanism, mechanisms, mediation, meditation, memoranda, memorandum, memorandum of association, metro, metropolitan, magistrate, ministerial, ministerial, medical legal case, MLC, modus operandi, modus vivendi, moot, mortgage, murder, murderer, murdered, Muslim law, Hindu undivided family, family planning, my colleague, my classmate, my dear fellow citizen, my learned friend, my honorable friend, my lord, negligence, negligent, negligible, nevertheless, notwithstanding the fact that the null and void, annul, nullified, original appeal, OA, oath, objection, offense, opinion, opponent, opposition, order, prejudice, president, president, president of India, power of attorney, post mortem, police station, plea, plaintiff, plaint, Public Information Officer, PIO, piece of land, petitioner, petition, patience, patent, perpetrator, perpetuate, pers, per mensem, per capita, per annum, pendency, tendency, tenancy, penalty, PCO booth, public call office, patents, party, part and partly, parole, payroll, pardon, parameters, paralegal, overrule, ordinance, letters patent appeal, LPA, lower court, lordship, locus standi, litigation, litigant, lien, libel, lenient, lieu, leniency, legal, legally, illegal, illegally, legal opinion, legal authority, appellate authority, legal, learned trial court, lawyer, law and order, landholder, law and order situation, justice of peace, justice, jury, jurisprudence, jurisdiction, judiciary, judicial order, judicial officer, judicial functions, judicial decision, judgment, judge, jail superintendent, superintendent of police, jail, irrelevant, irrelevance, relevant, irksome, ipso facto, investigation, interpret, interpreted, interpretation, interim report, interim, inter alia, injunction, instructions, infructuous, infraction, informant, indisputable, indictment, incompetent, incarceration, in toto, in the appeal, in as much as, in so far as, impugned order, impugned judgment, wherein, wherefrom, whereby, whereat, where against, warranty, guarantee, guarantors, guaranteed, warned, warrant, were not, waiver, viva was, vice versa, verification, vis-a-vis, facts and figures, verdict, venue, vehicle, Victorian Civil and Tribunal, VC80, vacate, usury, underwent, undergone, undergo, undertaking, ultra wires, trustee, trust, transcript, taught, to be set aside, title, total, totally, totality, totalitarian, therewith, thereunder, test identification proceeding, thereto, thereon, thereof, therein, thereby, theft, testimony, testimonial, terms of contract, terms and conditions, tenant, tenet, swear, sustain, consistent, sustained, suspension, surely, surety bond, surety, Supreme Court of India, Supreme Court judge, Supreme Court judgment, suppress, summon, suit, subtle, subsection, undersection, in section, subjudice, prejudice, stay order, statute, statutes, statutory, status quo, static, statement, standing committee, stocking, somewhat, solicitor general, solicitor, single bench, sine die, sidebar, station head officer, SHO, sheriff, settlement, settled, session judge, sessions court, sentence, self defense, search warrant, arrest warrant, sale deed, rules, rule of law, robbery, rigorous imprisonment, imprisonment, imprisoned, right of appeal, right to work, right to freedom, right to education, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Home Affairs, revoked, invoked, revoke, invoke, reverse, perverse, respondent, defendant, plaintiff, appellant, resolution, repayment, payment, investigate, investigation, investigating, investigated, investigation officer, remand, remained, remind, rampant, released on bail, rejoinder, redress, registrar, deputy registrar, redirect, record, regard, recording, recordings, regarding, rebut, reasonable doubt, real estate, quashing, qua, purport, purportedly, public prosecutor, proxy, proven, prosecutor, prosecute, prohibition, probation, probationary, proportionate, proportionately, proportion, perpendicular, particular, opportunity, probate, pro tempore, pro rata, pro forma, privilege, prisoner, prison, prima facie, prevention, preliminary hearing, parliament, whereof, whereon, whereto, whereunder, wherewith, whimsical, whosoever, will and testament, withdraw, withdrawal, withdrawn, witness, writ, writ petition, writ proceeding, written statement, your worship, your honor, joining, alibi, plea of alibi, anticipatory, participatory, anticipating, anticipation, participation, participate, appellant, appellate court, arbitrary, arbitrate, arbitration, arbitrator, assessee, assessment, assessing officer, assessing authority at the initial stage, Central Criminal Court, evidence, conspiracy, counsel for the defense, counsel for the defendant, counsel for the plaintiff, counsel for the prisoner, counsel for the prosecution, Court of Criminal Appeal, deed of assignment, cantonment, deed of trust, deferment, non-cognizable offense, deferment, differential, divisional court, document, examination in chief, inordinately, invigilator, letter of intent, midnight, mortgage, questionable, questionably, in question, inequitable, registrar of society, scandalous, suicide, suicidal, supra, transparency, whatever, whenever, whensoever, whereinsoever, theresoever, whithersoever, therefore, thereafter, thereupon, thereto, therewith, thereof, therefore, thereby. Thank you.